masabi mo sa mata na isang Park Ji-hoon?
Like, I die every single time. When I was watching Weak Hero class, na-recognize ko, naku, itong mata-mata is gonna kill me. Like, literally. Sasapakin ako nito. Ang dami kong concerns about the drama. Like, it was difficult actually for me to keep on going because it's ultra-violence. Pero every single time, papunta na ako dun sa, hindi ko na ata kaya biglang mata. Okay,
Kaya ko
I'll
na.
stay.
Pampakalma.
Kaya ko na.
Oo. There's this one scene sa Weak Hero. Talagang nag-click sa akin na, oh my God, this guy's, ilang muscles meron sa around his eyes. Parang nasa museum sila and they were, parang nandun sila for detention. Tas parang,
Yung si Danjong din siya. Naki-outfit din siya.
Oo, naki-outfit din siya nun. Tapos nakaupo siya doon. Tapos tumitingin sa kawalan. And then he was taking in the moment. Tapos hindi gumalaw yung rest of his face. Yung mata lang niya yung umangat ng ganun. Nang sobrang ever so slight. Pero yung shift ng thought, kitang-kita mo eh. Holy crap, man. That is such a talent. Kaya nga kung yung eye contact niya, intense. Kasi klaro sa'yo. Kung ano yung sinasabi niya sa'yo na parang no-overwhelm ka kasi this guy isn't talking to me.
Yeah.
But why do I understand his eyes?
One, two, sarang! Hey!
Annyeong! This is Monica!
What's up, everyone? This is Trency.
Hello, my name is Pia and we are One to Sarang, your favorite K-pop and K-drama podcast. Sure akong favorite niyo rin kami kapag nag-uusapan tayo tungkol sa aming mga crush. Kaya gusto ko rin malaman, Trency, Monica, kapag may crush kayo, ano yung pinakaunang napapansin ninyo sa crush ninyo?
Crush ko na siya or hindi ko pa siya crush? Just doon ko malalaman na crush ko siya.
Ang dami!
So may options for all these.
Hindi, pero paano mo naging crush?
Paano ko siya naging crush? Pag nakakatawa siya. Paano
Walang
yun?
physical?
Pag physical, pag matangkad. Oo, automatic yun.
So,
Tsaka
mga
matipon
basketball player, ganyan. Kinabahan. Ikaw na lang, Monica. Back to you.
Ako, eyes.
Eyes.
There are a lot of people who have beautiful eyes. Pero it can't just be like mata na, I mean, may magandang mata pero parang walang laman. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Merong something. I think I'm so attracted to people na yung pag nagtutwinkle yung eyes pag nag-iisip or nag-imagine or...
So kailangan ganun.
Iba yun. Sinasapian kasi yun. Hindi kasi yun imaginate. Twinkling ha.
Parang yung ginawa niya, parang wala akong malapag na.
Hindi ko yun magiging crush. Tatakbo ako.
But you know what ako rin, same. As in, eyes talaga. As in, sobrang iba talaga yung effect sa akin ng mga magaganda yung mga mata. Kaya na-shock ako na sa K-pop. Hala, bakit ako nagka-crush sa mga monolid? Si Jimin, si Hoshi. Pero enter Rewoo, Lihan, Sangyeon.
Correct.
And our newest crushie, Park Ji-hoon. Pag-usapang mata naman talaga, number one talaga ang isang Park Ji-hoon. And that is why in this episode, we are dedicating it. Hindi lang sa mata niya, sa totality naman ng person.
Hindi naman siya ino-objectify.
It's just the eyes.
Yes.
But yeah, Sarang Base, in this episode, we are gonna be talking about Park Ji-hoon. So kung meron kayong mga friends na mga May, please share this episode with them so that we can all fangirl and talk about Park Ji-hoon extensively together. So what are the questions that we would be talking about in this episode? First, grabe din naman ang journey ng isang Park Ji-hoon. From idol to, actually, child actor to idol to actor-idol. Parang nag-overlap yung dalawa. But then, during his journey in Produce 101 Season 2, ang dami niyang mga haters online. And then now, he is like the actor of the top grossing film in Korea of all time.
Wow.
So, grabe naman yung journey niya. Pag-usapan natin yan. Second, like we mentioned, yung mata niya. Grabe naman kasi talagang mata.
Grabe naman.
Kailangan talaga natin pag-usapan ng matagal ang mga mata ng isang Park Ji-hoon.
Oh my God.
Next, meron siyang sinabi lately that his new dream is to be playing a villain. So, ano naman ang mga thoughts niyo dito? Meron ba kayong gustong ilapag na anong klaseng villain ang pwedeng gawin na isang Park Ji-hoon? And finally, after being a villain or maybe even connected to it, anong project ang gusto ninyong makita sa kanya next? Like, is there any story na gusto nyong nandun siya at ano yung role niya? Yan. Pag-usapan natin yan. Okay, so because we are fangirling about Ji-hoon, pag-usapan muna natin some fast facts about him. He was born May 29, 1999. He is a Gemini, which makes so much sense because the duality.
Sobra!
Diba?
Naku, nakakatakot ang mga Gemini!
Kinakabahan na si Hoshi. Pag-usapang Gemini, parang gumaganon yung tenga niya. Ako na
it's
naman
me.
ba?
It's me!
Diba? So, it makes so much sense. And yung height niya cute. He is 173 centimeters
Wow, I love that
or
we're going into these
5'8".
Yes.
5'8 lang siya, guys.
That's not cute. That's okay.
It's, for me, it's
Mag-heels
cute.
ako, para at least mas maliit pa rin ako sa kanya.
Diba? Oo. I mean, cute in the sense na usually kasi parang 175 and up yung mga bias natin.
Oh.
Well, I
parang
have
cute siya
Dino,
sa
so
170.
I'm okay.
5'8 din ba si Dino?
Oo. Ay, 5'8", 5'9".
5'8.
Hoy! Don't me.
Ano naman, cute din naman kasi yung height ni Dino, diba?
Oo. Siyempre, height doesn't matter.
Not
As
at
much as
all.
age.
Ang sakit na 99 liners nila, inumpisan na naman ni Monica ang paglamag sa kanila. So, he debuted in 101 in 2017. Kasi parang, oh my God, okay, as a Boys Planet fan, na parang, okay, yun pala yung first iteration produced. So, parang, usually kasi may signal song sila. So, kapag sa signal song, parang nirank nila lahat ng kasali. So, sa Produce 101, 101 trainees yan. So, nirank sila A, B, and C. So, yung A, sila yung parang pinakamataas yung stage. Sila yung kita from the start, lahat ng ano. Si Ji-hoon is C. So, pinakamababa.
Oh my God!
May D pa pala kasi yung iba nasa sahig eh. Pero siya, ganun talaga sa Boys Planet also. So, siya sa C siya. So, nasa baba siya. So, hindi siya masyadong madami pang mga shots sa una. That's why sa end nung Signal song, yung center nun, yung nag-debut din sa 101, oh my gosh, I forgot his
Minion?
name. No, not Minion. Pero the guy who's like their singer and the one who connects everybody together. Okay, sorry. Sa mga wannables, please let me know. Basta siya yung center ng Signal song. So, si Ji-hoon nasa C siya, pero ang ginawa niya, alam niya sa ending fairy, syempre mahalagang makapture siya. Sabi niya, he kept on winking para lang ma-sure na makuha yun. Ganun. And nakuha yun. And siya yung pinaka-last ending fairy. Nag-wink siya. Ayun na, na-in love na ang Korea sa kanya.
Oh my God, dinaan talaga sa mata.
Grabe, no? And from being C-level trainee to debuting as number 2.
Correct.
Grabe talaga yung journey niya. I suggest panoorin niyo yung mga performance niya because he did Boy in Love. At nashock ako kasi yung nag-cartwheel siya. Parang desperado tayong makadebut. Ano?
Ang kumikitang pangkabuhayan.
Hala, nag-cartwheel. Yes!
Admire that
Oh my
passion.
gosh.
Right?
Kayod.
As in. And lalo na yung audition video niya ng Produce. Kasi yun talaga yung sayaw niya parang, go! Galingan natin, kuya. Parang ganon. Anyway, maybe we have to have a reaction video to it. Kasi sobrang, yes, Ji-hoon, I'm so proud of your journey. And then next, yung solo fandom name niya is May. So aside from being born in the month of May, it also represents like the endless possibilities that you can, and which is him, di ba? Ang dami niyang possibilities, actor, idol,
Correct.
soloist, all of that.
Diverse.
I'm also May.
Oh, that's true.
Just saying. So, walang geonatics.
Wala.
Akala ko meron.
May ang tawag sa
Akala
kanila.
ko sa Pilipinas. Geonatics PH.
But yeah, and then the cute thing is because he has a dog named Max.
Giona. I think
Kapangalan
we
na
should
nung sister
meet.
niya.
Oo.
Hi.
So si Max actually ang pumili ng fandom name niya. So he had like different possibilities for the fandom name tapos pinili ni Max ang May. So that was why that became his fandom name. So as an actor, ito na ang kanyang mga, well, notable because there is so much more than this. We all knew him from Weak Hero Class 1 and 2. And very important is that in that series, kasama niya si Lee Jun-young, one of his besties, na-crushy din natin. We talked about him in Mellow Movie as well as in When Life Gives You Tangerines. Yes, because they're both, si Junyoung
Producer
is an idol. Hindi siya
Ah,
Produce
okay,
101.
okay.
Yukis. He's also an idol and they both love dancing. So parang both of them have a shared passion. There's a cute story na parang si Junyoung kasi yung type na very distant sa mga actors na kasama niya. Pero kasi sobra niyang
Galing din nun.
grabe yung charm ng isang Jihoon. So parang isang beses naglalambing na parang yung anong pangalan ko sa phone mo? Sabi niya, Park Jihoon. Tapos sabi niya, yun lang, wala man lang lambing. So nilagyan niya ng puppies, tsaka ng dongseng or something like that. Siya lang yung may kakaibang pangalan sa cellphone ni Junyoung.
Hindi na malandi.
Malandi siya sa mga
Across
lalaki.
the board. Boy kisser din siya.
He does collect fanboys kasi si Hyun Wook, another of our favorites from 2521 as well as Twinkling Watermelon, pinag-usapan din naman niya dito sa podcast. Silang dalawa din. Meron silang ganong klaseng bond. Panoorin niyo. Ang dami nilang shippers actually.
Oh my God.
But lang kasi idol din siya eh.
Si Hyun Wook?
Ay, hindi sa
Hindi, si
Weak Hero.
Junyoung.
Weak Hero.
Sa
Weak
Weak
Season
Hero.
one.
Oo, sila magkakasama
Correct.
silang tatlo, diba?
Oo.
So si Hyun Wook at si Jihoon, meron din silang ganong klaseng relationship.
Yeah.
Mapanood nyo, ang daming mga behind na parang masyadong malambing yung dalawa. Cute naman.
Pero si Yunhook,
nakakakilig
parang
actually.
malandi din kasi to.
In
Oo nga,
general.
oo nga.
In general. Pero ayun, sobrang cute niya. Parang sabi nga nila, siya, fanboy collector ang isang Jihoon. So he is also in, of course, what we recently talked about. We will be putting it in a card as well, Legend of Kitchen Soldier. And the other notable ones, nasa Tastefully Yours din siya. Hindi ko kasi natapos yun eh. So hindi ko
Pero
alam.
2 guest role lang.
Oo.
Parang 2 episodes.
So meron siyang parang cameo doon.
And blonde siya doon.
Kasi nung parang meron siyang idol persona na blonde, that it works. Pero favorite ko kasi si Jihoon pag moreno.
Yeah.
Kinilig na.
Oh my gosh. Super gets.
Jihoon.
Correct.
Yun lang.
I must agree, sobrang pero yung makeup artist niya, hindi alam kung paano i-match yung lips niya sa skin tone niya.
Yun lang. Correct.
But there's something about his lips. Like his lips. You know how yung trend na, yung, what do you call that? Yung hazy lip ba yun?
Yeah.
Parang blurry lip.
Yeah.
Yung sa kanya parang natural lang. It's like, it just disappears. Parang walang line.
Gets.
Parang nagbe-blend lang. Blended
Yung
lip.
pala, yung outside of his lips, lip liner na yun.
Ang kapal.
kapal.
Tapos yun na yung
Baka binawasan pala
sa
nila.
foundation. Parang blinamed lahat.
Kasi parang mukha siya, parang siyang mukhang nag-make out, pero
Ay.
inayos.
Hala.
Pero wala na, hindi nakita yung lip line. Nag-gets ba? I always notice that with his lip.
Parang ganun. Pero yung kulay kasi ng lips niya, hindi ko alam ba, pero sa Kitchen Soldier, parang like, parang putla. Diba? Parang,
Kasi daw depressed
dito
kasi
pink
siya.
na pink,
He's
tapos dito
grieving.
putla.
Ay,
Tapos dito
okay
parang
lang
iba
yun.
na. Ang weird.
Trend
Kasi
yun.
depressed.
Okay lang
Kasi
yun.
depressed siya.
Pag depressed, ganun maputla.
Tsaka para siyang kumain ng maalat.
Oo. Nasobrahan. Or nang
Nasobrahan
maasim.
na,
ganun.
oo, ganun.
Masyadong kinilig sa Moreno Park Jihoon.
Totoo.
Pakihanap yung
Moreno
isa
Park
meron
Jihoon
sa,
talaga.
sa Twitter, parang one of the top, yung parang honey-haired, honey-skinned Park Jihoon
Oh my
as my
God.
favorite. Nakaka-stress.
Honey bear.
Nakasando pa siya doon. And another one that people always talk about that I actually also want to watch is At the Distance, Spring is Green. Apparently, he plays 2 roles, parang villain and hero, parang ganon. So, very interesting. And I think, ito ba yung blonde din siya? Or maybe in one of the personas siya blonde. So, worth checking out. Baka kailangan nating i-check din, pag-usapan. And syempre, hindi kami want to sarang kung hindi namin pag-usapan ng 17. Dahil masisingit ko dito somehow ang 17. Because sa Produce 101, one of the trainees who were there is Samuel, who was a Pledis trainee who trained with 17 dun sa Boy in Love, kasama si Samuel. Nung pinapanood ko, sabi ko, bakit kilala ko yun? Okay, si Samuel.
Maliit pa siya noon.
Matangkad na.
Matangkad na. Okay.
Si Samuel debuted, he ended with 18 rank. So, kaya hindi siya nakapag-debut.
Nice.
And also, si Jihoon was a former trainee in Fantagio, the agency of Astro,
Yes.
the agent kung saan kasali si Cha Eun-woo na best friend ni Mingyu na 17.
Yes.
I love it.
Diba?
All the degrees of separation.
Right?
Oh, I love it.
Parang he was supposed to like debut as Astro, but he got injured.
I don't
May
know
nabasa
about
akong
that
ganon.
part. So yun, after that, he went to Maru, and Maru yung naging agency niya for Produce 101. Maru is also the agency of Ghost 9. Pero umalis na, nasa YY na siya ngayon.
Okay.
Okay. So pag-usapan na natin ngayon ang kanyang journey from Idol with pre-debut haters to now the highest grossing film of all time actor in Korea. So kasi pag check mo sa internet, of course, when there's a survival show, there's so many opinions online. And madami talagang mga nagsasabi na parang, bakit tumataas sa ranks yun? Because he's just a visual and that's it. He's not a strong dancer, he's not a strong singer. Which is actually very apparent when you watch Produce.
Yeah.
As in, nung time na yun now, leaps and bounds yung talaga in-improve niya. But that time, talagang iba. When sa mga interview nga niya, sinasabi niya, may passion lang siya for dancing. He did go to art schools, pero not as a dance major, but more of like, I think, acting major yata, yung inano niya. So, hindi naman yun yung strongest suit niya. But then, he now joins A-list celebrities by landing first, siya na yung bagong face of CF Bank, which is one of the biggest in Korea. And apparently, he is replacing Byeon Woo-sok.
Yes.
So, ganong klaseng level ang
love
stardom at
it.
star power niya. And also, there are some entertainment journalists who are confirming na lahat na ng magagandang films, lahat ng magagandang K-drama scripts binibigay sa kanya. So it's just up to him to just choose anything.
Yes.
So from somebody who was like sobrang nilait-lait ng madlang people to now, anong masasabi nyo sa journey ng isang Park Ji-hoon?
I'm just so happy for him. Wow, biglang ganon. Kasi parang alam mong ginusto niya yon, alam mo yon, like in all his interviews and even all his performance. Like you know that he loves it. Like he loves it. And he's such a quirky, based on like some of the variety shows that I've seen.
Yeah.
May quirkiness about him.
Yes.
Sure, malapitin siya to a lot of people. I think it's because that's his charm. Like they can't not include him like in the group, I guess. Like when Piñego yung sinasangi nga parang
The
kiniklaim-
Kitchen
Kitchen
Soldier cast.
Soldier cast. Kiniklaim nila na close sila pero kahit na nafe-feel mo na ilang si Jihoon na talaga or something. Pero to them, he's part of them. I mean, they have like this special bond or whatever. Anyway, point lang naman is sobrang charming niya. It without even trying. So, he could be doing like nothing, I guess.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, hindi niya kailangan mag-effort and it might be okay. But in every performance, it always feels like, whether acting or singing, etc., it always feels like his heart is like 100% give na give.
Yeah.
Kahit na yung mga Instagram posts niya, umiiyak. Because like lately yun napansin, at least
Kasi nga
nakita ko sa
pa-end na yung
Twitter.
Kitchen Soldier, kaya meron siyang parang selfie na close-up, tas umiiyak siya.
Oo.
May context.
Wala sa
Wala,
lahat
it's just
nun.
the final episode ng
okay, yung
kagabi.
Akala ko like
actually.
nag-post siya pas walang kahit ano.
Ito, pakita ko.
Yan. Wala, yan lang. The sad face. Ganyan.
Grabe talaga yung mata niya. Sad
Grabe
eyes.
talaga.
Pero, hindi lang ata ito kasi first time. I think parang he would post kasi parang whenever he has to wake up early for an early call time or something. And then parang yung mga, kung tama yung naalala ko, parang yung caption, something like, gotta work. Gonna make
My purse.
like parang ganun.
Gotta.
Parang he's like pushing himself. I'm sleepy but I gotta work. Kind of thing. So, wait. I forget my point. Number 1, super cute. Pair 2, parang alam mo yun, talagang nandun yung
He loves his job.
like he just really wants to do it. And he's probably so tired lang din. Kaya he started posting these things kasi parang, my God, and endorsements everywhere. Have you guys seen the Suntory Highball one?
Wait,
guys.
Wait lang, so is he replacing 17?
Sila ba Suntory?
Oo, highball. Sila yun.
Hindi, pero yung iba yung sa 17 parang di ba beer sila or
Suntory,
like
meron din silang Suntory
like
aside from the beer.
or like the non-alcoholic version. Parang may
beer
ganun
din yun.
eh.
May Suntory din ng 17.
Well, anyway, it's there. You should see it. Dami-dami niyang commercials,
Yeah.
dami-dami niyang work, deserve,
Yeah.
and syempre nakakapagod. Pero pinupush pa rin niya sarili niya. So parang extra
Go lang, baby. Go.
And I love how he was like, parang when he was asked by Jaysok, parang, how many commercials do you have? And he was like, nagbilang siya ng 7. Tapos parang, 7 all in all? Ang dami! Ganyan. Tapos parang, no, 7 right now. Pero may mga na-shoot na ako dati pa.
Oo.
Recently.
I love it.
Sorry, his time to shine.
Grabe.
What can you say about his journey?
Medyo nagulat ako na may hate siya.
Sobrang
Honestly.
dami.
Kasi parang like, I knew him, I started getting to know him. Relationship. Nung Weak Hero nga. Parang gano'n. As an actor, I didn't know na he was an idol at all. Tapos nun, and then when I found out na he was an idol nga, na parang, tapos meron pa siyang backstory as child actor. Ganyan na parang, oh my gosh, he's been in the industry for so long. Na parang talagang he knows how to maneuver this. And then people love him. May ganun akong dating sa kanya. Kasi ang galing niya umarte. Tapos, yung idol pa siya, of course. Ganyan. So parang, I had that notion. But I guess, there are just some people na meant for them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yun lang yung dating sa kanya. Kasi parang like, ang dami
Correct.
namang magaling sa industriya. Ang dami
Correct.
namang naghirap. Alam mo yun, ang dami
Correct.
namang nagput ng 100%. Pero there are just some people who are, by God's choice, meant for this space.
Yes.
And he is one of them. And the fact na parang this year, 2026, sunod-sunod talaga eh. Nag-align lahat ng projects niya eh. Alam mo yun. And I guess siguro, yung maganda na lang is, yun nga, now that he has all this, he has all the energy to pursue all his projects and put 100% of himself in there.
The control. He can choose whatever he wants now.
As he should.
Yeah. And then yung parang yung parang like willingness
Yeah.
to be there. Alam mo yun, na parang everything that you watch of him, parang binibigay niya yung 100% niya. Pero in nabagay sa moment. Like for example, like I watch like Wannabes. Tapos nun, syempre kasama na yung 101, di ba? Parang I was kind of surprised na parang everyone was like, oh my God, Park Ji-hoon! Like, he's like the token person right now. Pero parang he would gladly step back and let others shine. And I think, feeling ko, yun dun din siguro siya magaling.
Yeah.
Like, he shines by himself, but he also makes other people feel important.
Yeah.
Kung kilala ko siya eh.
Oo, personally
Pero may
na-feel mo yun eh.
May ganun siya
Oo.
eh. May ganun siyang dating na parang like the light shines on him and the others around him.
Yeah.
So I guess that's why God loves him.
But like, in relation also to what you said, and that's another thing that I've been thinking of lately, na if you're really meant for something, things
Yes.
will just happen and just make it really happen.
Yeah.
At
Correct.
hindi lang siya sa meant to be, not because he just got lucky. He has like that talent to
Exactly.
back everything up, and he's hardworking, and it really shows. Again, yung journey niya na parang yun nga sa Produce 101, natatawa talaga ako kasi parang sila ni Junyong kasi mahilig sila mag-popping. Yun yung thing nilang dalawa together.
Junyong talaga, I love it.
Diba?
The popping
As a
with
dancer.
Junyong. Oh my
Pero
God.
natatawa ka, bakit pag nagpa-popping, ganito lagi yung first step? Ganito muna, bago lahat. Bakit lagi?
Basic pang pabuelo.
Kasi kahit si Unak, di ba? Pag nagpa-popping, ganito muna dapat. Saka sila magagaganyan. Popper eh.
Correct.
Sino mga marunong sa popping? Pakisabi sa akin, please. Kasi merong video no sobrang student pa lang sila, nasa harap sila ng snack bar. Tapos parang may mga dance competition. Tapos babae pa nga yung kalaban nila.
Correct,
Tapos
correct.
ayun sila nung kaibigan niya, yung parang pare, kaya natin to. Pero ngayon panglaban na lang sa babaeng magaling masyado sumayaw eh. You have to watch that video. Sobrang nakakatuwa ang pre-debut Ji-hoon kasi medyo mataba pa. Tapos yung forma niya,
Such a
yung
cutie.
early 2000s na naka-skinny jeans.
Oo.
Oh my
Oh my
God.
goodness.
Have to watch it. But yeah, as in, para sa kanya, sobrang deserve kasi ang galing-galing lang talaga niya. And honestly, like, parang dun ako as a survival show enthusiast. Madami talaga laging ganun eh. Na parang, you just can't deny their star power. Maybe you start voting for this person kasi may something. Hindi siya magaling sumayaw. Hindi naman sa hindi magaling. Not the best dancer, not the best singer. But you see something in that person. Like Wani from Eyelet during Are You Sure? As in sobrang, wala, mata lang talaga ang pinanlaban ni Ate. But now you can see her dance and sing.
Yeah,
Sobrang ibang level na. Parang gano'n, si Ji-hoon din, parang gano'n, na may something. You just can't deny the star quality of this man.
No matter how long it will take. No, I mean, take for instance EJ, who, as in,
Obenya? Hindi, sinong EJ?
EJ, K-pop Demon Hunters.
K-pop demon hunt.
Kasi, ang inisip ko noong una, EJ and team si Weiju kasi may pinagdaanan din siya.
Gusto ko na si EJ Obienas.
Oo nga eh.
Ipasok natin si EJ Obienas sa usapang K-drama and
Correct.
K-pop.
Because
So, dapat-
he rises.
Oo nga.
Dapat pala nilapag ko na nga si Weiju, si EJ ng N-team. Okay. EJ.
Wala lang. Naalala ko lang siya while you were saying that because she just sang one of the anthems for World Cup this year. And like, it's just phenomenal how like a once kick out of SM
Exactly.
entertainment and then ando na siya. Parang wow lang, di ba?
Talent din talaga. Parang you really have your moment to shine, and when you shine, you really shine
Yeah.
the brightest. And I guess there's no talking about Jihoon without talking about his eyes. As in, parang alam din niya. Actually, well aware siya. Doon sa interview niya sa Unchae Diary, sinabi niya na parang yung eyes niya, my eye contact is my ultimate energy.
Grabe yung eye contact.
Masabi niya. Basahin ko lang din yung ibang mga comments on the internet about his eyes. Sabi, his eyes say so much. What an incredible actor. His eyes really tell a story even though he's not doing much. We've all seen that. The exact moment you see his eyes, you get why Park Ji-hoon is cast. They contain an entire tragic story without him saying a single line, talking about King Swarden. As in, very well recognized the power of his eyes. Ano masabi mo sa mata na isang Park Ji-hoon?
Like I die every single time. When I was watching Weak Hero class, so obviously I came in kasi kilala ko na siya and I want to see more of his work. And yeah, okay, na-recognize ko, naku, itong mata-mata is gonna kill me. Like, literally. Sasapakin ako nito. But the thing is, yung ang dami kong concerns about the drama. Like, it was difficult actually for me to keep on going because it's ultra-violence. Pero nagigets ko rin yung stories behind it, yung possible intentions. Pero kailangan ganun talaga ka-hardcore sa pakan. Pero every single time, papunta na ako dun sa, hindi ko na ata kaya biglang mata. Okay.
Kaya ko
I'll
na.
stay.
Pampakalma.
Kaya ko na.
Oo.
Na yun din
Chaser.
yun yung power niya. Kasi parang, he has killer eyes too. Because
Yeah.
like, in the drama, like, he is a mean-ass fighter.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun. And when the anger is there, my God, nakakatakot yung eyes niya pag anger.
Yeah.
Pero, meron din siyang calm. Pero yung calm niya, at least in the drama, yung calm na nonchalant, pero alam mong may care. Parang doon ako wait, anong gagawin mo next? Parang ganon. So, you can read it, but you're also not sure. So, you're hooked. You're always hooked. Kasi you wanna see
napapanoorin ko
what's
ba kahit
next.
ultra-violent? Hindi ko yata kaya.
Ay, feeling ko hindi mo kaya kasi
Oo.
medyo intense talaga siya.
Okay. So, wag na.
Pero kung kaya
Skip
mong
to Park
tiisin
Ji-hoon
para
scenes
kay
na.
Park Ji-hoon.
Skip ka na lang.
Oo.
Oo. Pag biglang may
Abangan ko
mukha
na
na niyang
siya.
malapit, stop.
Okay.
Play.
Tsaka si Junyoung, tsaka
Or
si
ano
Yoonwook.
naman eh. Kasi
Oo.
because it's
Yun
the kind of
din.
drama na they really took time for the fight scenes. As in Hong Kong cinema levels.
Okay.
of-
So, isi-skip ko na yung mga fight
So
scenes.
kumbaga, may parts talaga for it. So madali namang
Okay.
scrub
Sige.
through. Parang gano'n.
Noted. Ikaw, ano masabi mo sa mata niya?
Grabe ang mata niya. As very few actors have that kind of talent. As in, yung expressiveness. There's this one scene sa Weak Hero na parang talaga nag-click sa akin na, oh my God, this guy's, ilang muscles meron sa around his eyes. Parang this, I don't know if you remember, this was a scene na parang nasa museum sila and they were, parang nandun sila for detention. Tas parang,
Yung si Danjong din siya.
Oo,
Naka-outfit
parang,
din siya.
Oo, naki-outfit din siya nun. Tapos parang like, yun yung first time na nag-bonding silang mga rascallions. Tapos nakaupo siya doon, tapos tumitingin siya sa kawalan, and then he was taking in the moment. Tapos hindi gumalaw yung rest of his face, yung mata lang niya yung umangat ng ganun. Nang sobrang ever so slight. Pero yung shift ng thought, kitang-kita mo eh. So parang like, holy crap, man, that is such a talent. Alam mo, na hindi yung makuha anywhere. Hindi ko alam, pwede ba i-train yun? Diba? Hindi ko alam. Pero I mean, some people just have that way of like reflecting in their face, their thoughts.
Yeah.
And it's clear as day.
Yeah.
And I think he has that.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, parang, kaya nga kung yung eye contact niya, intense, kasi klaro sa'yo. Kung ano yung
Yeah.
sinasabi niya sa'yo na parang, no-overwhelm ka kasi this guy isn't talking to me.
Yeah.
But why
Yeah.
do I understand his eyes? Gosh, diba?
Star. Yung smiley face.
Smiley face! diba? Parang like, As in, intense.
And you wanna know more. You wanna know kung
Yeah.
anong next na gagawin niya.
Oo, may
Yeah.
ganon. Parang, and then yung, dun sa show ni Yung Ji, na parang ginamit din niya yung mata-mata niya, na parang, tas parang, ay,
Just like
malandi.
that, aside from malandi.
And very expressive.
Very expressive.
Actually, tinanong din siya ni Unche dyan na parang, do you have
Oo.
any tips because you're known as somebody who can really express with your eyes?
Yes.
Sabi ni Unche na parang, mag-shoot kasi kami ng trailer for Le Seraphim.
Oo.
I'm gonna act. I have lines.
Oo.
So can you tell me how? Tapos parang tawang-tawa lang si Jihoon kasi obviously parang he was like, hindi siya natuturo eh. Parang ganon.
Wala.
Hindi yun
He just
sadya,
has
hindi niya
it.
inaral na
Oo.
pag... Hindi.
It just
That's
happened.
Acting skill lang
Oo.
talaga.
Oo.
Na siguro
Yeah,
sobrang
yeah.
klaro sa utak niya, yung buong process ng taong to. Parang
Oo.
ganon. And kudos also to like the director and to the DOP for
Oo.
catching that exactly as it happens. You know what I
Oo,
mean? Because it's so
correct.
subtle
Yeah.
and nuanced.
Oo.
Paano mo malalaman na, okay, i-close upan natin yan at ano yan?
To be
What an
fair,
actor.
class 2 na yun. So they already spent
Alam na
an
nila.
entire class 1. They probably saw things.
Pero
Yeah.
feeling ko, ano lang talaga siya. Like, for example, sino yung Game of Thrones? Si Queen of Chever. Yung Dragon Queen. Baka niya? Actress.
Si Daenerys,
Oh,
si Emilia
Daenerys.
Clarke.
Oh, si
Emilia
Emilia Clarke. Emilia Clarke for me is also such a very expressive.
Oo, yung mata din yan,
Face, mata
laki.
niya ganun. May tao lang talaga na may extra muscle sa face.
Yeah,
As
I
in,
agree.
na,
I
kahit
agree.
na, alam mo yun, natutunan nila early on, I guess,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
marami nagsabi sa kanila, and then they just have it. Like, as much as some people can move their ears.
Yeah. Or it's just like, kumbaga, you know how the French have like that extra muscle for sa throat nila kaya they can pronounce the may mga, ay, yun nga,
Yeah.
like what you said, extra muscle.
Oo.
Because technically, you can tell naman that he's just using a powerful way of doing subtext.
Yeah.
Oo, exactly.
Nag-register lang sa mata niya.
Yeah,
There are actors
exactly,
naman na
yeah.
sobrang sa, ano yun, like a twitch here and
Yeah.
it's so powerful. May
Yeah.
mga ganun din kasing mga acting na
Yeah.
sobrang awesome din.
Yeah.
Sa kanya, syempre extra special na mata kasi
Yeah.
The windows to the eyes.
So the eyes are the windows to the soul.
The windows to the
windows to the eyes.
Nakakatawa
Sa akin may shades, gano'n.
Tapos kailangan pa yakit yung blinds.
Korean
Ganun.
blinds.
Oo, so
Ganun.
hirap.
Yung Korean blinds na parang.
Yung gumagano.
Dalawa. Oo.
But like, yeah, speaking of eyes, kasi one of the things actually you already mentioned in one of our lives, sabi ko na parang, is Park Ji-hoon Korea's answer to John Lloyd Cruz? Kasi si John Lloyd talaga, grabe din talaga yung mata.
Mata-mata.
And I know that he also longed to be a villain eventually. And that was, grabe talaga yung Honor Thy Father. Yun talaga yung makita mo yung depth and all the Love Diaz films that he did. But anyway, so parang pinag-iisipan ko kasi ganun din si John Lloyd din. Laki ng mata, sobrang expressive, konting ano lang, kitang-kita mo na yung shift kung naglalandi ba siya, kung nag-aano ba siya. Yun na yung enough. Tapos may naalala ko before, meron kasing nagsabi na parang yung appeal ni John Lloyd is nakakakilig siya sa mga babae, pero sa mga lalaki, hindi siya yung pogi na threatening.
Correct.
Hindi siya yung parang kunwari, sabihin natin isang Kim Mingyu. Ang threatening ng pagkapogi niya, so parang ibang lalaki naiirita.
Oo. Kasi
Pero-
alam mo lang, lahat ng attention sa
Nasa
kanya
kanya.
lang. Oo.
Pero si Jihoon, ang pogi din talaga niya and lahat na attention pero hindi threatening sa ibang
Kasi
lalaki.
baby boy siya.
May ganon. So parang feeling ko yun yung appeal niya. That's why he can get all the girls and all the boys as well. At hindi nakakatulong na yung mata niya ay ganun nga ka-expressive na parang madami siyang mga fan cam parang while he was like promoting King's Warden siya, Kitchen Soldier, na parang makita mo may nangyayari dito pero yung mata niya nasa fans. Nakakakilig! As in, parang gusto niya silang heartan tsaka yung chojang! Yung sikat na sikat niyang
Oo.
chojang! Pero hindi niya magawa kasi so parang pa-secret na lang. Pero may tingin siya, oh my God, sobrang nakakamatay talaga yung mata ng isang Park Ji-hoon. John Lloyd Cruz labas, ikaw yung natatama sa mga edad namin na naman.
Kaya mo pa ba?
Gusto pa ba niya? Yun ang tanong. Meron pala tayong na-miss when we were talking about his journey na meron siyang roommate.
Oh, yeah. The
Sino yung roommate niya?
Sobrang cute nung story because apparently, isa sa mga laging kinukwento rin ni Jihoon, as a trainee, apparently, kinoconfiscate yung pera. Like your credit card, everything. So they have just like a set amount of money about na parang ito lang yung pwede mong gastusin about sa food, blah, 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 ganyan. So, kaya siya sumasali sa mga popping competition kasi pwede ka manalo ng pagkain sa snack bar. Oo,
Nakakaloka.
sinabi niya talaga, popping, para sa tokboki, ganyan. Okay, tokboki time, ganon. So, parang meron siya isang friend na nag-utang siya, yung tipong 1,500 won, mababang, ano lang, parang friend niya from high school. So parang binigyan siya. And then parang eventually, parang he's just so grateful to this person. So nung nagkita sila sa gym, tas parang apparently naghahanap.
Reunion. It's a reunion.
Iba pa yung sa gym. Yung sa reunion naman, that's parang, so nagpautang. Nung nakita sila sa reunion, parang this was like one-on-one na siya. So sikat na siya, ganun. And he was thinking, should I go to the reunion or not?
Oo.
And then he just went, even if parang things were looking good, pero not really. Parang ganun. I guess struggles of being an idol lang.
Okay,
Ganun.
okay.
And alam niya hindi sila makaka-relate. So pagdating niya doon, so lahat sila parang, not worth na kamustihin to si Jihoon. Magaling, okay na yan.
Oo,
Ganyan.
oo.
And then parang he couldn't contain himself. And then that friend like talked to him and was like, it's tough, isn't it? Tapos bigla siyang umiyak. So nilabas niya lahat. So parang meron silang ganun din history. And then one day, when he was in the gym, nakita niya ulit si friend. And then apparently, he is looking for a place to stay. So yun, staying with him for free right now.
Oh.
Roommate.
Maganda na meron siyang roommate na normal person.
Oo nga
It
eh.
feels like he is the kind of person na parang despite being in the industry for so long, I feel like he craves normalcy.
Yes.
May ganun siya.
Parang very John Lloyd nga.
Very John Lloyd. Tuto makikita ko nagdadrive na ng Pajero. Di ba yung nahuli siya sa kalsada? Hindi na drive niya lumang Pajero.
Tapos mag-open siya bigla ng art exhibit.
Correct. Tapos painter na siya.
Oo,
Ganun. Oo.
Yeah, it's so nice that he's so grounded. In fact, hindi ko ma-feel yung celebrities. Para si Junyong.
Right?
Para si Junyong, pareho
Oo.
silang dalawa.
I think it's the popper culture. Pag ganun ka ng ganun, nakaka-ground eh.
Hindi
yung
nakaka-artista to. Hindi nakaka-Dior, Paris Fashion Week.
Normal person.
So alam na natin, kapag may kaibigan kayo, lumalaki yung ulo.
Pag-pop mo
Popper.
siya. Ganon.
Oo. I think ganun sa atin. I think let's make a pact. Pag isa sa atin tatlo, lumaki bigla yung ulo, bulungan mo lang, I think you need to start popping. Tapos pupunta ka sa isang tabi, gaganon ka lang.
Gaganon ka lang.
Tapos okay na ako. I feel like myself again.
Kayo si John Lloyd Cruz and Popper.
Si John Lloyd Hip Hopper.
Nakikita natin may mga dance battle na sa gitna siya. Naiyak ako. But we love Popper Jihoon, never change.
Yes, oo.
Okay. So ngayon naman, recently, nag-express siya na gusto niyang maging villain. Sabi niya, I want to step away from popping to this. Ang hirap siya. Actually, naiyak pa rin ako sa tawa. Pero,
Kailangan tayo mag-move on eh.
kailangan natin. Mamaya ulit
Oo.
magpapapin tayo. Pero yun, sabi niya that he wants to step away from the righteous and kind-hearted characters that I have portrayed and I want to challenge myself with a full-fledged antagonist role. Tapos sabi niya, I want to explore a darker side of acting.
Wow.
Ano sabi niya? And he's also interested in how audiences would react if he successfully portrayed a villain capable of making viewers genuinely angry whenever he appears on screen. So gusto daw niyang malaman yung challenge na meron yon and gusto niyang maintindihan what kind of emotions are required to convincingly portray this role. Are we ready for a
I'm
villain?
ready.
Sobrang kinalabutan ako kasi alam ko he's gonna do it so perfectly. Nakakatakot.
Oo,
I
oo,
feel
oo.
like,
Dinidescribe pa lang niya, takot na ako.
Oo.
alam mo, feeling ko, pag mapanood ko siya as a villain, I'm gonna question myself. Like, why am I falling in love with a bad man?
Right,
Oo,
right.
oo.
Right?
Diba? Parang, yun
Parang
lang.
yung sorry. May nakita akong younger pics of yung sina Fidel Castro, gano'n,
Oo.
na ang popogi.
Correct.
Tapos parang, man, these thoughts are like, not,
Pero alam mo sa true, di ba? Di ba like yung mga serial killer?
Oo.
So
mga
good
Ted
looking.
Bundy,
Ted,
ganyan.
Ted Bundy, gano'n na parang dahil sobrang charismatic nila.
Oo.
Di ba? So ito, popper and murderer. What
ganun
if
ka
Park
serial
Ji-hoon? What if Park Ji-hoon popper serial killer?
So yung dance battle, literal na battle,
Battle
kasi
pala
may
siya!
patayan.
Dance Battle Royale.
well, technically, that's kind of like, weak hero class.
Ganon.
Akala mo sasali ka lang sa sayawan. Mamamatay ka.
Ba't ako nasa ibang isla? Sa Japan.
Weapon?
Weapons. Tapos habang kailangan mo nang gumanong-ganon.
May category.
May may mga jigsaw, gano'n.
But yeah, anong klaseng mga villain roles, kasi actually nung sinasabi nyo kanina, and because I'm also fascinated with the culture, sabi ko, my God, he would be the best cult leader kasi sasama
Oh my
ako.
God!
Sasama talaga ako
Alam
sa
mo,
kanya.
pwede siyang cult leader.
Di ba?
Correct. Para siyang oh my God, para siyang, Da Vinci Code, Camarlengo.
Oh my God!
The Camarlengo, yung ganon.
Oo.
Di ba? Yung parang akala mo he's like,
Oo.
sent by God, ganon vibes. Tapos biglang meron pa siyang ulterior motive.
Natakot talaga ako.
Perfect.
As in like super
Oo.
hirap.
Oo.
Kasi alam ko ma-fall pa rin ako sa isang killer.
Ah.
Siya yun nga, yung cult leader na madaming wives,
Oo,
mga sister wives silang
correct,
lahat.
sister wives.
Papayag ka maging sister wife?
Oh, naman.
Ano ba? Okay lang ba sa'yo kung ikaw ang 150th sister wife?
Okay lang. I
Okay
like
lang.
1 and 5.
Correct. Oo.
Okay.
Tsaka you can work your way up.
Slowly.
Oo, slowly. palapit sa dulo. Ganun pala yung ganun pala. To work your way up. Ganun lang.
Pero anong villain role?
Villain, ako yung mga ganun. Parang feeling ko, kasi sobrang baby face, innocent, and then meron palang ganung klase. Parang yung cult leader, watch at K-drama, na may mga like monsters from hell. Forget what it's called. Hellbound.
Bound.
Diba
Yeah.
yung parang cult leader yung si, doon, what's it? I forget his name.
The
That
girl?
great the guy,
Akala
the
ko
great
Phantom
actor
Lawyer.
na who had like a scandal. So, nawala siya.
Okay.
Oo.
Forget it.
So, parang yung ganung klaseng vibe. So, tama, pasok sa akin yung cult leader. As in, cult leader, siguro kung historical,
Oo nga,
Parang
dahil
ganon.
siya isang Sago King.
oo, Sago King. So, I don't know. Like, maybe some fantasy, din, pang shorts. Drama shorts pala. Parang yung
Si
mga-
drama?
Si drama. Mga ganun. Di ba maraming ganun? Yung mga alpha.
Gosh, what?
Diba? The
Fun.
alphas.
Ikaw, Mon,
My
ano
gosh.
ilalapag mo?
Pwede bang wag siya mag-ano? You know how there are these people, mga murderers pa rin.
Oo.
Na ang nila, ang backstory nila is they manipulate women
Oo.
to thinking, parang cult na rin, pero
On a more personal
on a
level,
more
hindi siya yung
personal,
grand.
Oo.
na parang groomer, yung mga ganon.
Oh my God! Oh no, oh my God!
Shit, nasad ako kung
Oo,
rumor
ako
siya.
Yun nga eh.
Oo,
Parang
pero
ang
gets.
intense nun.
Oo, pero gets.
Pero
parang
marami
kaya
kasing
niya.
kwentong ganun eh.
Oo.
Na pwedeng maging script. Mga
Oo.
ganon. And I don't know, hinahanap niya dark yun. Hindi ako magugulat kung
Full dark.
pipiliin niya yun. Alam mo yun?
Kailangan ko lang tanggalin kasi.
Ganun. Full dark, tapos madilim. Pero na-appreciate ko na gusto niyang gawin to.
Oo.
Kasi parang that tells me na parang he's here because he wants to explore
Yeah.
his own capacity as an actor and also like the possibilities of like what a human being can do. Kumbaga parang like exploration siya of like human experience.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. So, parang, serious.
Yeah.
May ganon.
And parang it reminds me yung sa sa Nothing Much Prepared, yung parang he was playing the villain against Young G, yung parang,
Oo.
bakit akala mo hindi kita kayang saktan?
Oh my
Yung
God.
biglang gumanon siya, diba? Tapos yung change talaga yung mata niya.
Pero sobrang bet.
Yun nga, yun nga yung nakakatakot.
Diba? Susubuan ka muna yung strawberry.
Oh!
Tapos biglang, bakit? Hindi ba kita kayang saktan?
Yung
Oo.
G's reaction was exactly our reaction. Like, you know that she was about to like make out with him or something.
Oo.
Pero natatakot siya. Alam mo yun? Na-feel ko yun.
Can he be in a villainous role? I'm sorry, but this might hurt the both of you. So, I'd like to see him as a villain with female lead na sobrang may tension sila. Yung parang, ano ba ang mangyayari sa dalawang to?
Magpapatayan ba
Ganon.
sila o
Or
magmamahalan?
magmamahalan or
Ganon.
maghahalikan. Ganun. Kasi nakikita ko, alam ko masaktan ka. Oo, baka masaktan ka rin. Pero ito lang yung wish
Hindi,
masaktan.
actually okay lang.
Hindi ko
Nasaktan
alam.
lang ako sa Kitchen Soldier kasi biglaan eh. Walang build-up.
Okay, so gusto mo may build-up.
Okay lang.
Oo.
Di ba parang may ganyan si Song Joong Ki? Yung parang meron siyang limited series. Song Joong Ki ba? Hindi. Si crush mo.
Ang dami akong crush.
Nasa tamang edad. Mas matanda sa si Goblin.
Si Goblin?
Di
Si
ba he had this
si Gong
short series.
Gong Yu.
Si Gong Yu. He had this short series na parang ganun yung peg. Is he a killer or does he love his wife? Parang may
May
ganun siyang
ganun.
limited
Ito
series.
the trunk?
Yun yung the
Oh,
trunk.
the trunk.
Okay.
Baka parang ganon.
Parang ganon. Yung subtle lang, medyo art house.
Oh my God.
Why kailangan villain? Hindi ba pwedeng something like adventure, like Jurassic Park. Yung ganon.
Or actually,
Pero
kasi,
villain siya doon.
No!
siya yung T-Rex.
Villain! T-Rex! Tapos sasayaw! Napapapit! Wave!
Hirap. Isasend namin to sa YY agency. It's about time for you to get to know us as well. Or bakit hindi kaya yung mga ano lang, parang cute-cute teen romance, wala pa siyang mga ganun.
Yeah, I was gonna go.
Oo.
Pero gusto ko lang i-expound yung mga like Jurassic Park. Kasi it's CG heavy.
Oo.
Pero you're supposed to put wonder. I mean, you know, you have to convey to the audience na, oh my God, I'm seeing a dinosaur. Parang gano'n. And pwede rin aliens or something. I don't know. Alam mo yun?
Star Wars.
Na, like, that kind of adventure flick. Pwede namang horror, pwedeng thriller, whatever. Pero point is, may nakikita siyang hindi natin nakikita usually. But through his eyes,
Ma-express
may
yun.
express, mararamdaman natin, makikita natin yung T-Rex na hindi siya. Yung
So, parang
ganon.
Avatar?
Hindi yung Avatar, magiging Avatar siya.
So
Magiging
may
blue.
hayop lang siya?
Yung something like yun nga, yung
Or parang
may
like yung sa Kitchen
invasion.
Soldier na parang nakikita niya talaga yung mga genuine.
yes.
That was a
No
good
wonder in his
start.
eyes.
Pero iba kasi yung, yung mga out of
Full
this
world.
world. Na parang,
Oo.
wow, what is this? Ganun.
Correct. Well, actually, that also is one of the answers to my next question, which is, anong project yung gusto mo na makita siya next? So,
Ayun.
Jurassic Park is one. Baka meron ka pang gustong ilapag or meron ka na bang gusto pang sabihan? Ikaw? Ikaw ipa-project niya?
Why not?
Sana mangyayari?
For serious, parang yun nga, na-bring up na eh, parang wala pa siyang cute-cutan. Pero parang like hindi eh. Hindi yung-
Ayaw mo siyang mag-cute-cutan.
Alam mo,
Pero gusto ko siyang makita in like a very parang tense role.
Sense?
Parang an end sa traffic. Ganun.
siguro dahil galing pa kasi ako sa Weak Hero class, okay lang ako na hindi mo. Like, I'm so glad Kitchen Soldier is light. Alam mo yun? In fairness, ang ganda nga ng pacing ng mga projects.
Yeah.
So maybe since he came from Kitchen Soldier, okay, go, mag-villain ka or whatever. But after that, sana romance, gano'n.
Yeah.
Kasi to be fair, while you hated the scene, dahil nga it was in Kitchen Soldier, dahil biglaan.
Oo.
Pero nung tiningnan niya yung mata niya,
Nung
like,
girl.
medyo ni girl,
Oo.
nagulat ako kasi parang, oh my God, where was this built up? I mean,
Oo.
yes, it was sudden, but it was so complete. Na
Ang
parang,
sarap siguro magmahal na isang Park Ji-hoon.
like, wow.
Gemini siya eh.
Ay,
Wow.
mahilig ako sa mga Gemini. By the way.
Hirap eh. Kaya nga yun yung mas nakakatakot kasi Gemini siya.
The duality.
The duality.
I guess parang yeah, I feel like yes to love story. Parang
But an adult one.
yun nga, mas
Not
ganon. Hindi
school.
na yung
Oo.
high school na ganon. I feel like I
Correct.
wanna see him siguro yung day-to-day reality ng mas matanda and then or maybe like a falling out of love kind of thing. Like, you know how parang madami yung mga ano sila, like married couple, tapos slowly falling out of love, then falling in love again. Baka mga ganong type. Siguro parang I feel like may madadala siyang depth to that.
Like
na,
the Sunset Sunrise.
Oo,
ganon
mga ganyan.
series. Or
my
you know what?
God!
Pwede ring tragedy. Do you guys remember One Day? Yung,
Yung kay ano.
Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway.
Babae pala, hindi yung mga lalaki.
No. And then si Spider-Man yung isa. Oh my
Ah,
God, why am I
si
forgetting?
Andrew
Garfield.
Oh my God.
Oo.
Biggest
Andrew Garfield nga yun, di
Parang
ba, yung
hindi.
One Day?
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Hindi si
siya
Andrew
na-
Garfield
No!
yun.
Wait, give me a moment.
Oo.
Sorry, Jim Sturgis.
Jim
Sorry.
Stewart. Medyo malapit.
Malapit
Medyo
na,
magkamukha
pwede
sila
na, with
niyan.
the facial hair pa and stuff.
Oo.
Yun nga, as in like, it spans many years of, tayo ba? Are we attracted to
my
each other?
God,
Possible
that's
kind of
sad.
thing.
Oo.
And then
Wait lang.
finally, they came together. They got married, but someone dies.
Oo. Correct.
And I think
Oh,
He'd be so good at that.
He would
so really awesome.
oh my God.
And even beyond like the tragic end, like yung falling in and out of love, yung, oh my God, hindi ko
Yeah.
alam. Feeling ko, mababaliw ako.
As
Alam mo
in,
yun?
Oo.
kailangan
Kasi
nyo na gumawa siya
maglalaroan
ganyan.
talaga yung feelings mo eh.
Oo.
Alam mo
And
yun?
willing tayo.
Correct. Siguro ang ano ko na lang, dadagdag ko is Park Ji-hoon na siya mismo yung slapstick. Kasi parang like nakita naman natin siya na nag-kitchen soldier siya, di ba?
Oo.
Pero kasi kumbaga hindi siya yung parang
Hindi
comedy vein
Oo,
nun eh.
oo
Alam mo,
nga.
it's the other people around
Yeah.
him. Like he has to be like the more serious one.
Yeah.
Pero gusto ko siya naman yung parang, siya yung medyo gumaganon.
Which, by the way, in nakalimutan na natin i-discuss to yung sa Kitchen Soldier.
Oo.
Yung ending, dahil medyo loose na siya.
Oo.
Yung
Correct.
nagbigay siya ng tofu cake.
Oo.
Oo.
Hey,
Siya yung
gumagano
bigay
na
yung
siya.
Oo, correct.
Ujima!
Oo.
Ujima!
Saan to nang galing?
Ako din, medyo na-shock ako doon. Medyo abrupt.
Pero
Pero
something
sige.
medyo mas comedy pa doon.
Oo naman.
Tipong kumbaga extreme job. Pero siya yung comedy.
Oo.
Kumbaga yun siya yung kumbaga hinuhulog sa gilid ng building tapos kailangan siyang but in a
Correct.
funny way.
Oh my
parang
God.
gano'n.
Parang
That
kailangan
would be
niyang
so
makasama
good.
si Kwang Soo. Tapos si Kwang Soo yung serious actor.
My God, ang
Tapos
hirap
siya-
i-frame nung shot na yon.
Kasi the cute and the tall.
And the
you know?
tall, ganyan sila. Oh.
Grabe!
Ang cute!
Ang tangkad natin. Kung makapagsalita tayo.
Parang
Alam
D.O.
mo,
lang.
6
Feeling ko
footed.
kahit niya siguro si D.O. no? Or
Baka.
taller pa si D.O. ng
Maybe
konti.
Feeling ko
A little
taller si
taller
Ji-hoon
si-
than
Oo.
Dio.
Oh?
Oo. Dios.
In fairness, medyo same vibes sila ng D.O. for me.
Oo nga.
Actually,
Oo nga.
Ano?
Medyo yung mata din ni Dio.
Maganda rin yung mata. Very
Oo,
expressive.
expressive
Oo.
din.
Oo.
Oh, so, alam mo na, PD na, isama mo na siya sa next kungkong tak-tak. So, parang after ng Jeju, dyan naman tayo pupunta.
True that.
Okay, Saryang based sa mga maze na nandyan, ano ba ang mga roles that you want to see Park Ji-hoon do next? Please put all of that in the comment section because we would love to read all about it and we also want to talk more about Ji-hoon. Kaya hit us up. We will reply to reply to all of you and let's all do a dance battle together.
By the way, Dio is also 5'8".
5'8 ba si Dio?
O,
Feeling ko
sakto sila
fake
nga.
height.
Oo.
Feeling ko fake height. And we are back. And ngayon, oras na para maglaro kami ng game. And there is this popular trend in TikTok which is called the Emotion Challenge. Pero ang gagawin natin ngayon is an emotion challenge with a twist.
Ano?
Ano ang twist na gagawin natin? Because sa TikTok, usually there's a word and that you have to say it in the different emotions that are there. Pero sa atin, dahil Ji-hoon ang topic, mata lang ang pwede
Okay.
para dito sa ating emotion challenge na ito.
No.
And then, meron tayong ito yung mga emotions na kailangan natin gawin, lahat inspired by Ji-hoon. First, sorrow, ala King Danjong.
Wow.
Second, calculated psycho rage, ala
Calculated
Psycho
psycho
rage.
rage. So many asks.
Yes, but then it's a
Okay.
Ji-hoon level because
Okay.
that's like weak hero class.
Game.
Next, social battery drained because he's also an introvert.
Correct.
Next, weaponized Aegyo. Kasi alam na siya yung winky boy, siya si Chojang, ganon.
Weaponized age.
And finally, Grandma's love as in kitchen soldier. Okay, so yun ang ating last.
Kaya ko yung Grandma's Love.
Gagawin natin lahat.
Isa-isa
pipili tayo?
natin na lahat syempre kasi ganun yung sa TikTok.
Okay,
I'll just
sige.
read out kung ano na yung kailangan yung gawin. So, igay-gawin natin para sa order. Gay, bah! Okay, so tayong dalawa. Gay, bah! Gay, bah! Ah, freak!
So you decide if you wanna
Oo.
be...
Ikaw,
I guess, una?
you wanna be
Ay, hindi ko alam
first?
kasi hindi ko
Hindi,
choice
ikaw yung
eh.
magde-decide eh.
Ikaw
Ikaw ang
magde-decide.
decider.
Ikaw mag-decide kung ano
Ako yung
sequence natin.
Okay, second. I'll go second. And then, you go last. You go
Okay.
first. Okay, game. So, first, tingin ka sa camera mo. Close-upan natin yan. Okay, so the first mata-mata acting challenge. Sorrow, King Danjong.
Wait lang. Oh my God.
Kim Danjong pala. Kim Danjong.
Cute anymore. Ay, mali. Ganun pa siya. Wait.
Okay.
Danjong Sorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait lang. And in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, gutom po siya. Second, calculated psycho rage ala weak hero class. Ayan na siya. Next.
Am I even doing anything? Ay, akala ko yun. No.
Okay.
I'm wondering lang. I don't know. I can't see
You are,
myself.
you are.
Okay, I am.
Oo.
Okay.
Introvert Ji-hoon, social battery drained. Parang ganyan
Social
siya ni
battery.
Monica kapag kasama niya tayo.
pag ayun din mga.
Itong mga extrovert na Leos na to.
Uwi na ako.
Hindi pa sila tapos. Okay, eto na. Weaponized Egyo. Ala Winky Boy Produce 101. Egyo!
Na mata lang?
Oo,
Ang hirap
mata lang.
nun.
Cha-cha. Parang siyang nagsasarang eh. Dupit. Dino pa rin dupit. Eyes of Love. And finally, Grandma's Love, Kitchen
Okay.
Soldier.
Ayan.
Okay. So now, it's my turn. Let's go.
Ako nagbabasa.
Acting exercise pala to.
I know. Yun ang pinauso nila sa
Correct.
TikTok. Gawin
Okay,
natin,
are you
para sa
ready?
atin. Let's go.
All right. Sorrow ala King Danjong. Ay. Oh. Tapos sumisigaw ka sa utak mo. Yung sinasabi niya doon?
Gutom ako. Ganun.
Ganun. Oo.
Charis.
Okay.
How dare you use the royal's name in vain?
Yun.
Linya niya.
Okay, pero mata lang. Hindi pan-distract. Okay, next. Calculated Psycho
Ala.
Rage. Yun. Yan yung nangyari sa'yo kayo nung binangga ka nung Alphard.
Huwag niyo po akong hanapin.
Next. Social Battery Drained. Does it ever, though?
Exactly. Kaya hindi ko ma-relate. Hindi ko sure.
Okay, next. Weaponized Aegyo.
Oh my God, ang hirap mag-egyo. Okay. Namata lang.
Ang ganda. Okay. And last but not the least, Grandma's Love.
Ini-imagine ko kayo si Wunak tsaka yung grandparents niya, pero parang hindi siya tumatagos. Kaya natin, grandma's love.
Oo.
Isa pa.
Grandma's Love.
Kasi yung nanay ko, hindi siya ganun pag
Hindi siya ganun. Yung lola mo.
Lola ko.
Oh, lola mo.
Malayong ano. Hindi ko alam. Okay, ikaw na.
Uy, malapit na eh.
Kasi kulang po yung pilik mata ko ngayon kasi na-late ako. Kulang. Yun na.
Pag kumpleto talaga, award-winning.
go tayo
Correct.
dapat.
Okay.
Okay. So, let's get ready. First,
Okay.
Sorrow ala King Danjong.
Ay. Masyadong best actress to.
Next, Calculated Psycho Rage ala Weak Hero Class.
Kailangan wala pa ng ulit.
May nginig-nginig, ganun. Next, Social Battery Drained, Introvert Jihoon. Hindi din po siya makarelate. Hindi makarelate. Hindi alam ibig sabihin. No?
Social battery drain, pero kailangan ko pa rin mag-pop.
Sige.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go. Pero with energy.
Pero yung mata, walang uwing-uwi
Parang
na.
ano lang
Parang
yan.
si D.O. actually.
Parang
yung mata
eyelid
uwing-uwi.
concept lang yan.
Uwi na.
Next, Weaponized Egyo.
Weaponized
Boy, Produce
Egyo.
101.
3, 2, 1, and...
Direct, hindi po siya sure.
Medyo na-stuck siya sa weapon.
Kasi nga Dance Battle Royale.
Ito lang.
I think yun yung charm nung Egyo. And finally, Grandma's Love, Kitchen Soldier.
Oh.
Isipin mo. Hmm.
Burger. Homemade burger.
Burger. Babalik at babalik sa popping.
Poppin.
And there you have it, Sayang Base. Kung kayo rin gusto nyo itry itong game na to, pakilagay naman sa TikTok. Pakitag kami para makita namin lahat ng mga emotions na gagawin ninyo. Ala Park Ji-hoon, mata-mata acting naman tayo. For a change. And of course, we want to give our heartfelt thanks to Q Studio for being our new home. And for those of you who also want to create content, to shoot podcasts, and all the other things you want to put on your social media, please do check them out. They are at theq.ph, also on Facebook and on Instagram, the Q Studios Makati. Makita-kita tayo dito. And so we will see you also in our next episode. Please share us with your friends who are also Mays and those who you want to get into Park Ji-hoon. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and on Apple Podcasts. Follow us. We are on Instagram, TikTok, and on Threads. We will see you on our next episode. Thank you, Gumawa Tiago yan. Sarang hey!
Sarang hey!
Heart-hearty!
Jihonatics!
Jihonatics! We promised another round of Poppin' Battle.
Okay. We
Okay.
did. Pero
You
sige.
said.
Okay.
Sinabi mo.
Sige.
Oo.
So,
Pero kailangan siguro may context.
anong,
Ano,
so,
gumawa
popping
tayo.
bottle.
Oo.
Bote.
Poppin' bottles
Bote.
in the house.
Popping bottle jeans and boots with the fur.
Anong bottle? Dapat may shape ng bottle.
Bottle ng toyo at suka.
Okay. Apple bomb jeans.
The fur. Sinamak ang nandito, sir.